Welcome back to this tutorial about databases. So, what is a database? A database is an organized collection of data, generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. A database has several specifications. First, as many users as needed can access a database. So a database can be designed based on the number of users they need to access it. This number can be a few users or can be millions of users. A database stored in a central location. So there is a central location where the database is stored. So all users, they can access it from different locations. These locations can be locally in the same building or through the internet or VPN from other cities or countries. The accessibility to the database is controlled. So different users might have different permissions to access a database. Some of them can read only, some of them can read and edit, and some of them can go further and change in the database. Availability is ensured, which means that the database should be available all the time for users. So in case that there's any interruption or fail in the server that has the database, there should be another standby server that can provide access to the users. So availability is ensured in databases. And security is enforced, as we said before, that different users have different access permissions to the same data. And data integrity is managed, which means databases are designed in a way that can enhance integrity in data. So whenever a record is updated in a certain table in a database, that will be reflected everywhere in the database. So in this case, integrity is maintained in databases. A database in general classified into two types: relational database and non-relational databases. What is a relational database? A relational database is a digital database based on the relational model of data. So, a relational database consists of tables linked to each other by a specific relationship. And the question here, why a database? Why we need to use a database? First, to improve performance when retrieving data, avoid redundancy and ensure data consistency, and enhance data accessibility and security.